Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Thursday, May 28th. Seeing another morning of low cloudiness out there once again. We are also seeing some scattered showers move across the region. We will continue to see these low clouds throughout the rest of the morning hours, then starting to see some more sunshine in the early afternoon. That will help to bump those temperatures up into the mid to upper 70s, and we're going to see a brief break in the rain during that period as well before seeing another round of showers and a slight chance of an isolated thunderstorm in the late afternoon. Taking a look at our surface analysis, over West Virginia, you have this low that was very briefly Tropical Storm Bertha. It went onshore over South Carolina yesterday, then moved north-northwest, and now is the remnant low of it is over West Virginia. Some of the energy associated with that is rotating across the mid-Atlantic region, helping to give us these showers as we have a very moist lower levels. So we have ample moisture. Still, the energy is pretty weak though, so that's why we're not seeing more widespread shower activity. Also seeing limited instability due to this widespread cloud cover, so that will help lower our chances of thunderstorms. Still can't rule out a slight chance later this afternoon, but right now looks like mostly just a shower threat for today. Let's take a look at our current radar. Currently starting to see some very light showers move over Wallops, another area of showers over the Salisbury region. We will continue to see these isolated showers throughout the day, and then as we go towards the afternoon, you can see some heavier showers developing over near Richmond. This area will continue to move eastward towards our area later today. It does look like once it hits the bay, it might weaken it, but we could still be seeing a chance of a isolated thunderstorm later this afternoon once this area of showers gets over closer to the Wallops region. Also taking a look at our satellite loop this morning, there you see widespread cloudiness. You can kind of see the break in between our two waves here. Here's the a wave of energy bringing showers across the Delmarva now, and then here's that stronger wave that is starting to generate some more robust convection. And in between those two, we are starting to see some breaks in the cloudiness. So if we can get some instability developed across the Delmarva, there is a chance that we will be seeing an isolated thunderstorm later this afternoon, but right now only looks around 20% or less for that to occur. Let's take a brief look at our upper level winds this morning. Currently seeing wind directions between the southerly and southwesterly across the entire column, and also seeing winds running between 20 to 30 knots across the entire column as well. Seeing the higher winds actually in the boundary layer this morning. Our freezing level this morning is just below 14,000 feet. Take a look at our forecast for today. We are expecting a high of 77 degrees today, perhaps even a degree or two warmer, depending on how much sunshine we get this afternoon. We are going to be seeing continued showers this morning, and then, like I said, a brief break in the early afternoon period, and then we'll start to see those shower chances ramp up again towards the late afternoon, as well as a slight chance of a thunderstorm. As we go into tonight, we should see those low clouds redevelop once again, unfortunately, and Friday, going to be seeing another chance for some showers developing in the pre-dawn hours across the Delmarva, as well as a chance of a thunderstorm. And then we'll start to see those clouds really break up finally once we get towards the late morning, early afternoon on Friday. Take a look at our winds. We're going to see south-southeasterly winds, 13 to 18 knots, and a little bit gusty late this morning into the afternoon hours. Then once we get past sunset, those winds will shift southerly overnight, becoming 9 to 14 knots and slightly gusty through mid-morning Friday. We are expecting a very mild low tomorrow morning of 67 degrees as we have still that very moist atmosphere and that continued southerly flow. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, as of 10 a.m., seeing a scattered cloud deck at 400 feet, overcast at 1500, and it just started seeing some spotty showers down there. We'll continue to see that throughout their morning hours into lunchtime. And then early afternoon, seeing those clouds break up, ceilings down to 2,500 feet, broken at 15,000, broken at 25,000. That will continue throughout much of the afternoon. Then into tonight, we'll see those clouds become, we'll see those ceilings lower down to around 500 feet once again, especially after midnight, possibly even a little bit lower once again later into the night. And then also seeing another chance for some showers or perhaps an isolated thunderstorm mainly between about 4 and 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. We're still seeing tides normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast. Let's take a look at our short-term weather model this morning just to show you how things will progress. This is currently as of 10 a.m. and model captured it pretty well with that area of showers moving across the Wallops region that we're seeing right now. We're going to see that batch of showers continue to move north and east across the region, and then seeing a little bit of a break as we go towards lunchtime into the early afternoon. And you could see that secondary area of showers and storms that's currently developing west of the bay. That will continue to move eastward, approach our area. But like I said, once it hits the bay, it looks like that cooler bay water could help to really weaken that energy. But there is still a chance we could see those showers and storms possibly surviving that trip across the bay, or maybe even regenerating once they hit the warmer landmass of the Delmarva. Then we'll see a reprieve from any shower chances we go into tonight. As we go into tomorrow morning, this is running around 7 a.m., and we'll start to see another chance for some showers and thunderstorms possibly pop up across the Wallops region through about 8 a.m. tomorrow. Let's also take a look at our long-term weather model here. This is 2 p.m. this afternoon, and as we go into later this afternoon, this model is not really capturing chances of thunderstorms or showers either, but still looking at a slight chance of seeing that just before sunset. And then not seeing any rain. As we go into most of the night, there's that additional area of showers and storms showing up on this model that we are expecting for tomorrow morning, and then also seeing the possibility of continued pop-up showers and storms for tomorrow afternoon once we get into some daytime heating. We are going to be seeing a front approach the area late tomorrow and into Saturday. This front is going to be moving across the area Saturday morning and into Saturday afternoon. That's going to give us another round of some more widespread showers and storms for Saturday across the region. It does look like mainly the central and southern portion of the Delmarva will be seeing those showers and storms on Saturday with that frontal passage. We're then going to be seeing some high pressure moving behind that for Sunday. That's going to really help to finally clear out all this cloudiness we have been seeing, ushering in some drier air as well as some cooler air as well as we go into early next week. So we can expect some very pleasant conditions to start next week with partly cloudy skies and much less humidity. Also seeing those temperatures drop down a bit as we go through Tuesday. Then on Wednesday, we'll see our next front start to drop down from the north, and that will help to give us some more chances of showers and thunderstorms, also helping to increase temperatures once again across the region for the middle of next week. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast, going to be seeing a high of 77 today with those scattered showers. Very slight chance of a thunderstorm this afternoon. Low of 67 tonight, then a little bit warmer tomorrow with a high of 79 with chances of showers and thunderstorms. Mild low once again expected Saturday morning, low only getting down to around 68 with a high of 80 degrees Saturday with scattered thunderstorms possible. And then once that front from Saturday moves east of the area, you'll see quite a bit of a pattern change for Sunday through Tuesday. Those temperatures hovering around 70 degrees Sunday through Tuesday. Low will be 61 for Sunday morning, but once we get into Monday and Tuesday morning, expect those lows down into the mid to perhaps low 50s as we get some much drier air helping to give us those cooler lows for Monday and Tuesday morning. Wednesday, we're going to have that front dropping across the region. That'll help generate some westerly flow during the day and give us some compressional heating. So that's going to bump up our temperatures once again to near 80 degrees, and then also seeing the chance of some showers and thunderstorms develop along that front for Wednesday afternoon. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.